On the top right corner, go to Share, then go to the bottom and click Download. You can choose the file type that you wish to download it into. So you have different options here that you can choose from. I'm just going to keep it as the default here. You can compress the PDF. This will compress your design into a reduced file size so that it's easier to handle. You can flatten the PDF. So this converts your design into a single image, and this might increase the file size if you do this. You can choose to include notes in your download if you wish to do so. You can select this option if you want to arrange your layers in a specific reading order. And you can also provide password protection if you wish to do so. Now, I do want to mention for PDF standard, if you have any video clips in your design, this will automatically switch to MP4 video. So just keep that in mind when you are selecting your file type. So then I can select also which pages I want to download. I can select either all the pages, or I can select the current page, or I can select just a few pages. Once you selected your pages, then just click download. And now this presentation, it can be saved in your computer and you can open it from your local computer now. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.